Modi has been appointed as a BJP PM candidate now. Now there will be new games for the whole of politics throughout the year.
But what about these tainted ministers? They are always going to be in power.
Of course, there's a solution to this. To stop tainted minister to get into power, we can do something like the nomination should be done 9 months prior to the election day. And if any nominee is found guilty in the criminal or the civil case, he should be investigated by a special court or the special fast track court, and if found guilty, he should not be allowed to contest election.
Maybe, but what about the increase in assets of the ministers throughout the year after they've been selected?
Well, that can be taken care of. At the time of filing nominations, these candidates declare their asset. A CA may be appointed to every elected MP who will take care of their asset for next 5 years. And if they find any abnormal growth in their asset, action can be taken against them.
Well, these are very workable ideas, but what about the paid media these days?
Well, we have solution for that also. Election Commission should release a diktat for TV, radio and print media. There should not be any ATL activity allowed during the election promotion or campaigning. The leaders should not be allowed to go through third-party vendors to the general public. They can only do BTL activities. That is, they should be directly connected to the voters rather than going by agency and paying them some commission.
Well, these ideas are really fine. But what if these politicians amend them?
Well, for all constitutional amendments and for all electoral reforms, the government should seek referendum or plebiscite from the whole of the public for all of the registered voters itself. Then only the government should be allowed to make an amendment or make a change in any electoral reform.
That's true.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.